Tired of wading through endless, unorganized tutorials on YouTube? It's hard to know which videos are high quality, up-to-date, or even relevant. Meet Edu-Tube.org, your centralized hub for curated programming tutorials. Instantly browse step-by-step Flutter courses, from beginner basics to advanced topics. Whether it's web development, embedded systems, or data science, everything's in one place. Enjoy an ad-free experience, AI-curated playlists, and consistent quality across all languages. Responsive design ensures seamless learning on desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Stop searching, start learning. Visit Edu-Tube.org and elevate your coding journey. Edu-Tube, where knowledge streams effortlessly.